Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage time and date settings on the instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and navigate through using these 4 buttons. Press this button until you see settings. Now, scroll down, again down and again, and here select time and date. To select it, press minus button on the steering wheel. Now scroll up, and now you can adjust hour, minutes and date. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.